Welcome. If you want to use split screen in your Archos Core 101, for the first you have to open that apps that you are going to use. So I will go for the Google Chrome. Okay, and also I'm going to open the files. Right now we have to click to open the background apps. Click and hold one of the app, then drag it to use the split screen. Pick up the second application, and as you can see right now, we are in two apps at the same time. We can also try to adjust the size of the application, and we can of course work at the two apps at the same time. And if you want to close it, just simply swipe like that. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.